Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. This is Friday Night Gab, and y'all, I am not live. And this is a holiday weekend, so I'm not going to keep you real long. I have a few things to say. I hope y'all do something wonderful. You know, I hope you really enjoy the holiday weekend because this is the 250th birthday of our nation. I got this t-shirt from Temu. It is, I show it in my Temu Summer Vibes collaboration video, which that collaboration ends tomorrow. So after 12 o'clock my time, and I'm not sure when everybody else is ending it, but we'll all be picking our winners, and I'll show my winner in my Mass Monday on July 6th. So if you haven't seen that yet, it still would be fun to watch. You might not have enough time to enter all the giveaways, but there's 7 channels: Smile Until It Hurts, Trisha's House, Nona's Here, which is Teddy, Reviews with Sue, Tea Time Adventures, which is Teresa, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry. I went past Smile Until It Hurts too fast. That's Eric and George. So go check it out if you haven't seen it yet. Even if you miss out on the giveaways, we all found different things and fun things. So just wanted to tell you about that. I was going to tell you what I'm wearing. I'm sort of wearing some bunker. I mean, I look a little crazy, but the Limoncello, I haven't worn this probably since last summer. This is a favorite palette of mine from ColourPop. It's just gorgeous. I mean, the packaging is gorgeous. ColourPop has inexpensive compared to a lot of others makeup, and I can't get it open. Hang on. It's got a nice magnet closure. I've had this palette for several years and it still performs really well. So there she is. Very beautiful palette. And on my lips, I have this lovely Jason Wu lip gloss. It says Good Gloss Bon Brilliant. And then it says, it doesn't have a, yes it does, I always say that. It's U-M-E. It's really tiny, but there's some numbers. And sometimes lipsticks and blushes and stuff are just numbered. But this does have U-M-E. U-M-E, is the name of it. Okay. So y'all, what are y'all doing this holiday weekend? I am not working on Saturday. Here it is Friday. I am working about a half a day just because I have to get some things done at my office. And then I will have the rest of the weekend off. I'm looking forward to that. It's horribly hot here. We've had some really, you know, when you're in the South and it's hot and it's supposed to be hot in summer, and then you have a heat advisory, that's bad. You know, that's some heat going on. So, and there's, you know, I've talked about this before, there's heat everywhere. Not every single place has it, but a lot of places in the US, a lot of places overseas that are not used to it, it's just been bad. So hopefully things will calm down. I really don't know. When it's this hot like this, we can expect the possibility of thunderstorms, you know, here and there. So we might get some rain over the weekend. I really don't know. So I got some things from the Amazon Prime Days, and you know, they're doing that more often. I'm thinking that they do that 3 times a year now. And somebody was saying, I can't remember who it was, one of you lovely people told me that you think it's going to be quarterly. So that'll be nice because they really do have some good deals. I did get a few things, like I got some toilet paper, some Northern toilet paper, mega rolls, and it was a great deal. It was $17.98 instead of $23.28. That's a big savings. I got some lithium batteries for my cameras around here, and those were $33.38 instead of $42.44. Here comes Smudge. Come on through. I got some calcium vitamins. I got these Ocuvite vitamins. There's some eye issues in my family, so I like to take these based on, you know, my eye doctor recommended them to me. So you do what's right for you, but these are for over 50, adult over 50, and they are, it says helps protect eye health. And I've been using these for a little while now, and there's 90 in here, so I think it's one a day. So this lasts 3 months. So I bought it on Amazon and on a subscription. So they'll send it to me every 3 months. But then they hand them for $22.30 instead of $28.99. So I got 2 extra packages of them. So I've canceled my subscription because I don't want to get it again in 3 months, because it'll be now like 9 months before I need it again. Because I just had gotten a bottle when they went on sale. So, and then I got 2. And then I got this from, I share this kind of stuff with people at my office. This is General Mills snack pack, the cheesy mix. This is regularly $10.97, which I think is a pretty good deal for 20 bags. There's 20 bags of goodies in here, and that makes it a little over 50 cents a bag. And this was on sale for $8.33. So this particular, they have all kinds of packaging like this. Like this is the kind of thing you might get at Sam's Club or Costco, and you can get them on Amazon. And so this one, I like the cheddar. I mean, I like the cheese, you know. And so this has the cheddar Chex Mix, the Gardettos, I'm not sure how to say that. That has some little pretzels and little crackers and stuff in there, and it's cheese flavored. They come in like a regular or plain, just like the cheese mix does. But I mean the Chex Mix, but these are cheese flavored. And then cheese flavored bugles. I haven't had bugles in a long time. These are nacho cheese flavored. So those would be nice to have at the office. You need a little afternoon snack or whatever. So that's why I got those. And that's really what I bought. I didn't buy any skincare. I often will buy sheet masks or eye masks or both. But right now I have an abundance of those things, so I didn't do it. So y'all, I had told you about this a couple of weeks back. In the Prime sale, okay, they had a lot on sale. I didn't need a thing, except, I got essentially kind of things. And then pops up perfume. And my favorite perfume is Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. And I had just got a little package from Sephora. And I got, some little free goodies. I have a video on that from a week or 2 ago now. And it's a little tiny bottle. There's 2 little tiny bottles. And Amazon Prime had the Flower Bomb on a really good sale. I'm like, you know what? What if I treat myself to a whole bottle, a big bottle? A big bottle is $105. It was on sale. I can't remember now. $75, $85, maybe. I can't remember exactly what it was on sale for. I put it in my cart. I thought about it for a couple of days. I'm like, and then I thought, you know what? Let me just Google it. And I Googled it, and I found some on eBay. Now, we've talked about perfumes on Temu. I don't know, y'all. They may or may not be real on Temu. Some, like I've shown you some, like, I have some right here. The K-Ollie. I don't know what the packaging should look like. But it says the name of the perfume. It looks like the real thing. I'm covering the name. But see, like the bottle, it looks like the real thing and everything. So is it real? I don't know. When I look at where it's made and all that, it looks pretty real. But then they also have items that will say, instead of saying the name K-Ollie, it'll say like K-Y-L-I or something like that. Like it turns the letters around or whatever. So those are fake. And you might not notice that on the website. So you might get it home and then be like, oh, what'd I do? Wasted my money. So I don't know some of the things I've gotten. Don't know if they're real or not. Well, the Viktor and Rolf I found on eBay. I Googled it and then looked at the different pricing and found it on eBay, a bottle for $29. I paid $35 for those, 32, 35, something like that, for those 2 little bottles. And I know that's authentic from Sephora, but this was from a seller that sells different perfumes. and had an excellent reputation. 100% favoritism, you know. And I always look at that when before I buy something from eBay. I look at how people like the buyer, and 100%. So I bought it, $29 with the tax that came out to like $31 or $32, and then I paid for it and everything, you know, like you do. The next day or later that day, I can't remember, I got an email from eBay saying that something about the seller, and if I have any trouble, they're there to help me. I'm like, what's going on? So I look at my order, and the seller is gone off eBay. You know, I have my invoice, and on your invoice, your email invoice, things are highlighted in blue. You can click on the seller's name and get to the seller, and it was gone. So I don't know what happened, but I asked y'all about that. Had that ever happened to you? And most of you said no, it hadn't, or you don't buy from there or whatever. Well, I got the package, and it was wrapped horribly in you know, in plastic wrap. But this is the box, and this looks pretty authentic to me, except you see it smashed up because this was in a plastic bag, not even a bubble. Yeah, maybe. Was it a bubble? It was just a plastic bag. It was not even a bubble wrapper. But y'all, this plastic emblem is on the real box. It looks real on the back. I've read everything on the back. It has the ingredients. It has distributed, and it has, it's from France, made in France. It says all that on here. It looks pretty authentic to me. Okay, so I was worried about the shape of the box, how the box looked. And when I opened it, the inside of the box has the padding that it should have and everything. So this is what she looks like. Smudge is trying to come up. It looks real. It looks authentic. It has this is a little metal plate like it does at the store. Flower Bomb, Victor and Rolf. It has this little juice, you know, it's supposed to look like a bomb, you know. It has that on there. It's beautiful. It's the correct color. The bottle is beautiful. It has a sticker on the bottom that looks like a genuine sticker. It has the mLs, and it has a number on it. And made in France, it says. Victor and Rolf. It says all that kind of stuff. Like, it looks authentic to me. Here it's a spritz. There's a spritz. It looks authentic. So I sprayed it. I used it. It smells authentic. What do you all think of this? It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It smells good. It smells correct. I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think. Now, I am seeing that this isn't fitting on here very nicely. Now, you know, maybe it goes on differently. Whatever. It's a little crooked. Yeah, oh, there it's on correct now. So what do y'all think of this? Smells heavenly. Smells heavenly. So anyway, just let me know what you think. And y'all, I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful 250th birthday, anniversary, whatever you want to call it, of our wonderful United States. I love my country, and I hope that you do as well. And I hope that you all enjoy the holiday. And I plan on it. I plan on resting a lot too. And it's so good to see y'all. And take care and count your blessings. And check back Monday to see who won on the Temu collab for me. And the other channels, you know, you watch them to see who wins on their channels, okay? So y'all take care, count your blessings. Good to see you. And God bless America. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.